Ka wadhi nyime weche motenore kod somo en penj maduong' ma jogeda auchiel gedo chiko KPSEA gi KJSEA nochakore yo makare kaunti Homabay. Kama jatije maduong' mar KCD ngire Charles Ongondo ne okoni piny owacho oseketo chenro makare ni penj go tayo mowinjore. Kaunti Homabay ni kod kwan jopuonjre 39,936 matimo penj mar Kenya Primary School Education Assessment KPSEA mano penj mar grade auchiel kod mar 36,496 matimo penj mar grade 9 kara Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment KJSEA e centers mopogore manie kaunti no. Ngire Charles Ongondo ma otelone chenro mar chako KJSEA mag penj e log tich ma commissioner ma kaunti moko ni piny owacho kale migawo mar somo oseketo chenro makare mano ni penj go dhi nyime e tung Kenya. Commissioner mar Homabay Ronald Miwani gi director mochung' ne somo bende nawacho kama.
Historic year, because it's the first year that the learners will be doing KJSE, that is Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment. And these are learners whom, as we know, are the pioneers of the competency-based education. These learners have already had formative assessment, and the Kenya National Examinations Council has their records. Now, these learners are doing their summative assessment so that then the Kenya National Examinations Council, where I sit on the board, is able to get a balance between what the children were able to do practically, what the children were able to do in school, and what they are able to do when they are put under a normal examination arrangement. I believe that before Christmas, the Kenya National Examinations Council should be able to let us know the results.
Security is well planned, well organized, but as we are aware, this time round, we are only escorting the exams up to the examination centers. Once they reach the school, the center managers take it up.
In the Mfangano Island, the main island, we have one container, and as we speak, exams have already been distributed to the different centers, so we don't expect any hitch. And we thank God also the weather has favored us on this first day. In total, we have around 1,074 centers for KPSEA. Of this, we have 39,436 candidates sitting KPSEA exams. We also have KJSEA, that is grade 9, where we have a total of 868 centers. And out of this, we have 36,496 candidates. And we also have KPLEA, that is the pre-vocational assessments for the special needs. We have one center with 3 candidates. So all these candidates are set, and we believe everything is going to go well.
Maromo jopuonjre 8,100 mag KPSEA kod 7,254 mag KJSEA ochako penj magi madongo odiochieng' ma kawuono e kaunti ma Siaya. Penj mabiro dhi nyime kuom thuolo mar juma achiel kane olose kinde mane ochiwo otese mag penj ne jopuonj madongo mag skunde primar kod sekondar ma Dunde e kaunti no. Jalup County Commissioner Robert Ngetich nogolo siem mager ne jopuonj kod apisas mag penj biro yudo ka rocho chenro mag penj e kaunti no kojiwogi mondo girit chike maduol mane osegolo. Ikino jatelo bende onyiso geno mare ni apisas mag arita dhi medo rido arita e kinde ma penj go biro bedo ka dhi nyime e pacho ka.
Managers have picked the exams from the container and they will deliver to the centers and bring it back. We are only availing transport for them. So that is the only departure from last year. But nonetheless, security is still round the clock because we are now doing patrols across the entire sub-county to ensure that these exams go on. So we will not see police officers in KPSEA and KJSEA centers. The students, we wish them all the best, and also they should give their best. They should not rely on any other materials that are not being sanctioned. So we'll tell them to just concentrate on what they have been learning. They revise well and they'll perform well in the exams. For the other officials manning the exams, Let's observe the rules. The rules still remain the same. Let's stick to the rules.